You might have seen in movies like 28 Days Later and I Am Legend, that an unstoppable virus turned the whole humanity into mindless monsters. You might also wonder that what if any of this is true? Is zombie apocalypse a real thing in future? Well, it's nearly impossible that dead humans can come back to life, but there are some microorganisms that can induce zombie-like behavior in humans. Recently, deep in the Amazon forest, scientists has reported a fungus named cordyceps. This fungus is responsible for turning insects like ants, moths, grasshoppers, wasps and hundreds of other species of insects into zombies. There are around 400 species of this fungus, each species is adapted for infecting different types of insect. So, how this fungus turn insects into zombies? This fungus works by hijacking the bodies and brains of its victims, causing strange behaviors and eventually leading them to their deaths. Zombie fungus infect organism when its spores land on its body and germinate on its muscles. After germination it control insect behavior and force it to move to a habitat that is favorable for fungal growth and reproduction. After finding perfect spot for reproduction, this fungus feed on infected creature and grow for weeks until it is ready to propagate its spores. So, the next question that came into one's mind is, what will happens when this fungus come in contact with human? Could it turn them into zombies? Is it the next thing that we all should be concerned after COVID-19? The answer is no. It is almost unlikely for a human to be infected with this fungus and turn into zombie. Well, there is a great difference between human nervous system and the one which insects have. Insect brain is much simpler than human, so it's easy for fungus to control it. But in order to infect humans, it needs to have hundreds of years of evolution, and even then it probably wouldn't be beneficial to them because insects are numerous and plentiful, whereas humans are less. Another point to focus is that insects have innate immune responses which are non-specific system of attacking pathogens. Whereas humans have innate immune response and adaptive immunity as well, which make it difficult for fungus to infect. Additionally, insects have open circulatory system that expose its organs to fungal infection. Instead we have a closed circulatory system. Another plus point is that we have a wide range of antifungal drugs, so a new infectious organism is unlikely to find an easy battle into infecting the human population. So at the end it is concluded that in order for the cordyceps fungus to spread to humans it would have to take hundreds if not thousands of years to undergo a ridiculous amount of changes in its genome. Which is nearly impossible. For more stories please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.